Start the vlog like this. Race down by 2, 9th inning. If they lose this game, Dodgers win the World Series. And that is 1 out. Oh my gosh. Why would you go out looking? GG's. A couple weeks ago, I went to a Cars and Coffee. I saw like 4 300ZXs that looked absolutely amazing. And I guess you could say I got inspired. Inspired to beat 3. Inspired to take my twin turbo 300ZX as well as the 370Z to the next car meet looking the best I've ever looked. And so, here we are. I believe we have about 3 weeks left to make this car look as best as possible and ready for the Cars and Coffee. It honestly feels kind of good just having a reason as to why you should modify your car and keep it clean. Because like if you just modify it and like, you know, just modify it, then I feel like that's not as exciting. So let's get it. Road to Cars and Coffee, episode 1. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe and let's get on with the video. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Danny. That is the twin turbo 300ZX. Today we're gonna be... Oh, now he stops barking. You good, bro? Today we're gonna grab Lizzie, the 300ZX, and she's gonna become like so aggressive, dude. Let me just bring out the packages. Yeah, now you keep going. When I stop, you keep going. Yep. All right. Come on. What you got? Oh crap. Hey guys, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. But yeah, I did want to say, although a lot of 300ZX owners do this, which I'm gonna show you guys in a little bit, I do want to say I found all this through my buddy Calvin Malley on YouTube. He has a 2JZ swap 300ZX. Check him out. I just want to give him credit because that's where I found this through. With that said though, let's get to the unboxing. Or the parts. Actually, more important than cars and car parts, World Series Game 6 today. I'm rooting for Tampa. I haven't seen the game yet. I probably recorded my reaction and put in the beginning of the video, so I really hope Tampa won. I love how all the boxes are scattered, but quick rundown of everything that I purchased before we unbox it and lay everything out. Here, I believe these are side skirts, obviously. These are, oh, they're... Shout out to my neighbors. These, I believe, are either the canards or some stuff for the rear. This one as well is either canards. Actually, I think this is for the rear and those are the canards. And then this big old box right here is indeed the front lip, which I have one over there. We already know my experience with front lips. But, this is not gonna go the same way, I promise. So I'm gonna get everything unboxed and laid out. Gita and her daily vlog. How you feeling today, Gita? Tell us something. How you feeling today? You feeling good? Who do you think's gonna win tonight? Tampa? Yeah, Tampa. Whew. Okay, I got everything laid out. It took way longer than I wanted it to, but here it is. Here's a full aero kit we're putting on the 306 today. This actually makes it look so aesthetically pleasing, but there's gonna be a lot of drilling, a lot of work. So let's go ahead and do a quick rundown. Here we have a front lip from a 2005 to 2008 Subi, I believe. Then we have 2 canards on each side. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Then we got left side skirt, right side skirt, and then back here, I don't think I'm gonna keep this forever. I do wanna go ahead and get the Twin Z rear diffuser, which looks absolutely amazing. But for now, we have these things that go like sort of like right here, so there's like a little bit of air going all around. Pretty cool. But Danny, where did you get all this, bro, and how much did it all cost? You're gonna be surprised. And I was thinking about it, and this is the first time I ever buy anything looks wise for my cars or anything like important from eBay. But all this you can get from eBay for around $250 to $300. I'm gonna help you guys out. I'm gonna link everything in today's video in the description. Go check it out, and I'm also gonna put the pictures up on the screen right now, so now you know what to buy. You know how much they cost. Are you gonna get it? Are you not? Actually, don't buy anything until you see the end result. And also the canards are like this fake carbon fiber, which I really do not like. Same as these things in the back. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and sand that down, and we're gonna paint it gloss black. With that said, I'm tired of talking. Let's start with... Okay, bumpers off. Also, yo, let's take a... I haven't seen this intercoolers in a while. Look how big these are, dude. Look at the size of my hand compared to these. Holy dude. But alright, so this lip does fit the 300ZX bumper, but it's from a Subi, so we gotta play around with it so it fits perfectly how we want it. And yeah, it should be pretty easy. And we will be back. This is looking kind of bad. This is pretty much the beginning of a nightmare. But here, my dad and I are trying to muck up the front splitter, mocking it up with like clamps, drilling it in. Then here we start cutting up, trying to stretch, and well, yeah. It ended up not working at all, and we cut so much off the splitter that I actually ended up snapping each corner pieces, but I did not want to let it go to waste. So here I decided to muck up the corner pieces temporarily until I get the right splitter, which you'll find out in a little bit, and it turned out pretty good. We're gonna try to make things work. If you didn't already see, I'm trying to get like the side. Trying to make the best out of it. I think I'm gonna leave this part on because it does look kind of cool. And then this, so nobody sees it, I'm gonna try to put it in. I'm gonna try to weld this piece right here onto the other plastic so you can't really see. Okay, yeah, you guys already saw me doing that. But next day, I decided, why not, since I'm doing all this, just go ahead and do the mesh. I decided to go Ace Hardware. Well, it was not there. I didn't record myself, but I went to Home Depot and it was there. Then I decided to buy this glue for the mesh, and yeah. Got this mesh at Home Depot. This is the one you can get. It's like a diamond stitch or whatever you want to call it. The thing is, I could either buy a sheet from here to there and then from there to over there for $9, or I could get this little sheet. I think this is gonna be enough. I'm not sure. I haven't even told you guys what this is for, but this little mesh sheet is for... Actually, dude, I think this is enough. So, but yeah, this is gonna go right there. It's gonna be the mesh. We're gonna get that too in a little bit. Well, let's talk about last night. I ended up talking to my buddy Calvin, and after going back on eBay and looking at the different choices and options, I bought the wrong one. I bought the wrong one. So, yeah, there's actually 2 good things about this and 1 bad thing. Actually, there's 3 good things. First good thing, that didn't go to waste because this actually mock-up that we did does not look bad. Like, it doesn't look great, but like, that does not look bad at all. Second good thing, ironically enough, that is not gonna be there for long. I mean, it doesn't look bad, but that's not how I roll. Third good thing, it is not a big deal. We still have like 3 weeks till Cars and Coffee, so we have plenty of time to order one, mock it up, put it on, so it's all good. So for now, we're gonna rock it like this until we get the new lip on. Sheesh. We're gonna go ahead and paint the canards black, gloss black with this right here. Should work. I think it's gonna look really nice. It's gonna be like a glossy finish. And if we need extra gloss, I do have gloss clear, so we're good. It took too long to call back. Okay, so I'm pretty sure these were hydro dipped. That's why you can see like the texture coming off. I'm already sanding it. I'm using 400 grit in the beginning. Might go up to like 1600, but I think 400 is gonna be fine just to get rid of the clear and whatnot. All right, look how it's like all coming out. That's pretty cool. So this how it comes with, like it's like all glossy. You basically want to sand it down to this basically matte color that the carbon is already fading and everything. Look, when you wet it, it's like back to this, but you already took out all the clear. New DIY painting station. Yo, this video is like all DIY right now. But honestly, I feel like I can relate more to you guys if I do it this way. So I'm just gonna put them right like around that corner and start painting just so no dirt gets inside. Honestly, like that's looking pretty good. Another thing you could do is, instead of spray painting them, wrap them gloss black. I think that's probably the way to go. That's pretty easy to wrap. I don't have that, so we can't do it. It is indeed big enough. Bro, I got so lucky. Oh my gosh. This is one of those things where I was like, should I buy it, should I not? And then I was like, just do it, you'll figure it out. And it will be glued on the bumper with the E6000 paste, or glue, which you guys saw me get. I feel like I'm holding some like sacred weapon or something. Yep. Bro, literally like the exact size we need. That's crazy. All right, so probably let's cut to like right here. Dude, this is fitting like OEM, bro. This is freaking amazing. Oh, that's so sick, dude. Oh my gosh, that looks amazing. That looks as OEM as it's gonna get. Yo, what's up with that mesh, bro? Is that OEM? Yeah, you know, a lot of people say that. I did it by myself, Home Depot. What was it, like $9? Alright, but now we gotta take it off to paint it black, but it's fine because I already did all the holes and just mocked it up. So paint it, put it back, then we get. I'm just gonna do one coat since it's just mesh and just let it sit here and dry. And honestly though, this finish, not bad at all. Might look a little bit better if it was gloss black, like wrapped wise, but pretty good. So basically I'm using some tape, just kind of mask off where I want it to go. Also go along with this line right here, so I gotta keep that in mind. They're gonna be pointing more down, so we can go with this. Honestly, could just 3M it, but we're not like that. We're not about that life. We're either all in or nothing. So all right, we're gonna 3M it just to kind of get a nice mock-up of So we wanted it up here, right? And this one kind of right there. That's sort of how it would look. Oh, okay. The thing is just getting the right angle down so it doesn't look weird. And then from the sides as well. So I mean, that you cannot tell me that doesn't look good. Even though I'm going over the line right there, it still looks pretty good. And feels much better. With that said, it's raining. Oh god! Oh my god! That was out of nowhere. And not even 30 seconds later, it just stops raining like nothing ever happened. And now it's gonna continue raining. I'm so confused. That looks good, boy. I think I'm gonna have to fix the bottom part a little bit. It's too angled up, but I think this side and the top, perfect. So we're gonna angle this one a little more down. Yes, sir. That clean hole, my guy. Look at that. That sounds so wrong. Wow, for the price that I paid for those two things, we're not gonna count the lip because I mean it could look 1,000 times better, but obviously we don't have the lip. But right now, this is definitely carrying the bumper so far, and it looks amazing. Yo, we've done so much this video, so if you're watching right now, just just do it. Just go ahead, like and subscribe. It's not that hard. It's just 2 little buttons. Go ahead, helps out the channel so much. Thank you in advance. So yeah, this happened. I was drilling it and I didn't realize the plastic was like touching it like that, and I just absolutely hate it. Oh my gosh, that sucks, dude. It's not super noticeable, but it kind of is. It looks insane. I've literally been filming this video for like 3 days. Last night I actually did the side skirt and it turned out freaking good. The only things that aren't great is that it overextends a little bit on this side, like probably 2 fingers. Yep, exactly 2 fingers. And then on this side is like a finger probably. But other than that, that looks freaking good, bro. So I cannot wait to change all these pieces out. Okay, so keep in mind, doing side skirts is definitely a 2-person job, not a 1-person job. The reason is it's really difficult keeping the side skirt up when you're by yourself and the car's jacked up. So I literally just grabbed random bottles and put it under the side skirt as I skirt. Probably not the best method, but it worked. If you guys have any like DIYs that you do at home, just comment down below so people can see, I guess. Yes, basically, if you don't have anybody to help you, big bottle, medium bottle, and then something small at the end. What I tried doing is I did 2 fingers on this end right here. Maybe put a little more back. 2 fingers. And then here, yep, you want to do like a finger or so. And then down here, you guys see this little seam right here, I guess you could say. I made sure that the side skirt, shush. Make sure that it's right here touching. Also started from back to front just because this side I feel like it's a little more important. That you can kind of mess with width-wise. This important, that not as important. So we start here, not over there. Let's get to it. Yo, real quick though, check out my socks though, boy. I haven't showed you guys, look at this. Drop my phone again and look at this. Look at those lines. Ripperino, the Dreamo. Gotta get a new phone. Right after we're done. Okay, the side skirts on the 300CX. Actually almost impossible to drill into. This side, for some reason I did so easy last night, but this side skirt, oh my god, look what happened, dude. It snapped right off. Dude, legit almost impossible to drill into these. Possible, yes. Painful, yes. Also, sheesh, dude, look at this front bumper. Okay, I already sanded these down. We'll wait for this to dry. We're gonna go ahead, put on the front bumper onto the car. Yo, I am honestly just so hyped. I've said it like 1,000 times, but I am hyped to see how good this is going to look. Everyone. Yep. Ooh, and also don't forget, if anybody's selling the Twinsy diffuser or any diffuser for the 300, kind of like back here, let me know. Hit up my Instagram because I really want one. So yeah, anybody selling it, let me know. The only thing though, when you come down here, it's kind of, it doesn't look bad, but that's bothering me. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. Let me know what you guys think. But to be honest, first experience with eBay parts, they're not bad. They're not bad. They're actually really fun because if you mess it up, it doesn't matter. Like that front splitter, I bought the wrong one. I messed it up. That was like $80, so it's not worst. This splitter right here is probably 3 times this the price of this one that I bought for the 300. So definitely worried about this one, not this one. Oh, here we are on this closed location. Looking at the car right now, I could not have been happier with how it turned out. Like this, actually, just looking at it in the center of the road, it looks so freaking good. You guys ready for this? Watch. Dude, as you guys know me, you know I like aggressive looking cars. And I mean, the reason why I made this video and not bought these specific parts was because they're cheap. A lot of you can relate to them. A lot of you, just like me, can't go out and buy $1,000 side skirts or whatever. These look great, they're cheap, and I'm just trying to motivate you guys that just because some parts are from eBay, other than me buying the wrong front bump, or not front bumper, front splitter, which sucks because the front end, it looks really good, but honestly, we're missing that big front splitter right there, so it looks kind of like a catfish. Actually, oh my gosh, it looks just like a catfish. But thankfully, we're gonna get that in before the Cars and Coffee, so there's nothing to worry about. But yeah, as long as you buy the right part, just because it's from eBay doesn't mean it's gonna suck. You just gotta kind of take your time with it, do it right. These canards, like, honestly look great. If you told me this one from eBay, I'll be like, oh, that's really cool. I mean, it doesn't look like it's from eBay. Ooh, talking about the canards, let me know what you guys think. Should I place them a little more forward, or is it good there? I don't know. I'm gonna look at it for a couple days. If I need to put them a little more forward, I will. Or I might just wait to get the front splitter and then move them a little more forward. Either way though, this car looks absolutely amazing, dude. If you're watching right now and you haven't smashed that thumbs up button, like, you just have to, bro. At this point, you just have to, my dude. See, my favorite part from all this, I don't know if you guys can agree, the side skirts. They look absolutely amazing. Let me get a little close up. I love these side skirts. They're not meant for Subies anymore. They're meant for 300s. Mesh turned out so amazing. It's like hard on there. I drove over here in a moderate speed just to make sure everything's tight and good. And everything is tight and good, especially the mesh. Next up on this series, I think we're gonna do the wheels. 100% the wheels. Like, oh my gosh, I'm like picturing it right now. And with the wheels, oh my god, this car's gonna look too good. This car's gonna look too good. It should be honestly banned. Like, it just should. To be honest, I was very sketchy buying eBay parts, but I was like, I'm not gonna do it for the 370, but I'm definitely gonna do it for the 300. It's my project car. Like, I'm just gonna test things out, and honestly, pretty dang happy I did, my guy. Pretty dang happy I did. So if you guys are new here, like I said, be sure to subscribe, join part of the family. We're trying to get to 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I hope this video was helpful. I hope this video made you smile, laugh. I hope it was entertaining. That's my goal when you watch the Danny Z videos, to either make you laugh, smile, or just inform you. I feel like this video's pretty long, but I'm gonna go now. I'm so happy this car turned out so good. Oh, I can't wait for the front splitter. Leave a big thumbs up, and as always, I'll see you guys next time. Hasta luego. Oh, check out my second channel, Danny Z Latino. 306 fam, I'm out.